you say one people. When I say one people, you say IDEC. Is it okay? Okay, 1, 2, 3. IDEC.
One people.
One people.
IDEC.
Yes. Now we want to start off this and kick this off. I hope we're gonna have a wonderful time. I'm called Jacqueline Uwero, and I come
You
from
can call her
Rwanda.
beautiful Jackie.
And I think I am the most beautiful lady today.
You
Don't you
are.
think?
Thank you, Yoshida-sensei.
And he's going to be my
Partner.
and let him tell you a little bit about himself.
I'm Felix,
Japanese.
and it's a pleasure to welcome you 2015 edition of IDEC Open Day. First, would like to give the microphone to Kaneko Sensei, Associate Dean at IDEC. Kaneko Sensei. Where's Kaneko Sensei? He's over here.
Okay, good afternoon, everybody. On behalf of IDEC and on behalf of our Dean, I would like to welcome all of you for this IDEC Open Day 2015, the third IDEC Open Day 2015. There are this year 28 country representatives, which covers mostly like 15% of the country registered in the United Nations. So this is kind of small microcosmos of the world, and I hope you really enjoy the interactions and many cultural diversities. And IDEC would like to welcome all people from outside as a part of IDEC family. I really hope you enjoy this afternoon. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Konika Sensei. Now let's kick this day off, and this is how our program is going to be. After the opening remarks, we're going to have, I'm going to tell you about what is taking place here, and then we'll have a time where the countries will come and tell us about their booths and their tents.
私は通訳者する頑張ります。今から説明始まります。
We are not singing, dancing today.
Thereafter, we'll have a fashion show, and people will come and show us how they dress back in their country. After the fashion show, we're gonna have different countries performing up front here.
そうたくさん国に来ます。ファッションショーとパフォーマンスがあります。たくさん踊りと歌を歌います。
Okay, on to what is going to take place today. Today, this is our stage, and what is going to be taking place here? We're gonna have performances here and the fashion show, and then inside in the entrance we do have a photo booth where you go and try on traditional clothes and then you can take pictures.
そう外だけここだけじゃなくてこのビルの中でたくさんアクティビティがあります。フォトブースという一番好きな写真を選んで、そして伝統的な服を着てください。
Then out here, all these beautiful tents that you're seeing, people are showcasing food from their countries. We have Bangladesh, Indonesia, we have, I can see that. We have Myanmar, we have
Malaysia.
Indonesia, Afghanistan, we have China, we have Angola, we have Cambodia, we have Mongolia. We have very many countries showcasing their food right out here.
その通り、いっぱい国の食べ物を食べてみてください。
Then one more thing before we kick this off. There's going to be a ballot. So at the end of this day, you're gonna choose which country had the most delicious food, which country had the best fashion show, and which country had the best performance, or which country has the best photo collection or the photo exhibition. So there is a ballot that will be going around, and it is at the reception. So you'll have time to vote who is the best for you.
So 忘れないで一番好きな食べ物、一番好きな写真とか一番好きなペーフォーマンス選んでください。そして勝った人はプライズもらう。
IDEC! Oh, you have forgotten. IDEC!
One people.
Now let me have the countries come and tell me about what they have in their tents. Why don't we start with the Mongolia? Mongolia. Somebody from Mongolia come and tell us what is happening here.
代表お願いします。
Come and do some PR for your country. Come and tell us what is going on in your tent. Yes, please.
Konnichiwa. Good afternoon, IDEC students, everyone. We are Mongolian. We are so happy to participate in this festival. Today we are going to introduce Mongolian, a little element of the traditional customs, such as the food, fashion, some game, and one thing is performance. We are going to show for us here. If you want to introduce Mongolian life and traditional customs, you can show the first tents. And if you want to get some introduction about Mongolia, you can get in the IDEC of the lobby. You can show all of the pictures. Yeah. Okay. I thank you so much.
Very much, Mongolia. Let's have somebody from Cambodia tell us about them. Anybody from Cambodia? Laos? We have somebody from Laos?
Oh, she's coming.
Oh, she's beautiful. Woo. How do they say beautiful in Japanese?
Kirei.
Kirei.
Konnichiwa, minasan. Good afternoon. We are the representative of Laos students. Today we are very proud to introduce a short story about our long traditional marriage proposal. So if you're curious to know how the Lao groom and host family proposed the marriage to a bride, please keep an eye on our performance coming soon. And along with the performance, we also have very special Lao food, such as bread rice, which is directly imported from Laos. Also mixed salad, mixed vegetable salad, and special sweet. Please come to our tent, which is on the left-hand side. The second one from the top. We're waiting forward to serving you there. Thank you very much. Arigatou gozaimashita.
That was beautiful.
いや日本語でラオスのチームはすっごい準備しました。伝統的な食べ物、伝統的な飴があります。そして今日ウェディングのプロポーズをやるだってすごい楽しみにしてください。
While we're doing PR, those who are going to participate in the fashion show, start getting ready and dressing up, because after this we're gonna have the fashion show. So, who wants to come next? Laos, Cambodia? Oh, Bangladesh! Somebody from Bangladesh wants to promote Bangladesh, please.
Hello everybody, good afternoon, konnichiwa. Hi, thank you very much. I am from Bangladesh and we have a multiple things to show you, to share with you here. On your left, the first booth is Bangla curry, and you could have delicious beef curry out there. Please try. And on the inside, we already have photo booth. We already have showcasing our clothes, so please wear them. And inside, we are also showing Bangladeshi pictures so that you can all see Bangladesh from inside. And our cultural program would be delicately defined as a time immemorial, how Bangladesh has been born and what is the culture of Bangladesh as a whole. So we all welcome you. Please come, enjoy and explore Bangladesh. So yes, IDEC, yes, Bangladesh. Thank you.
Thank you very much. That was a wonderful PR.
長かった。ベンガラデシュが美味しいな食べ物写真もあります。ぜひベンガラデシュのことを調べてみてぜひ食べ物を食べてみてください。
Let's have somebody from Indonesia. Somebody from Indonesia. Oh, come on. Oh, yes. You want to talk about Indonesia? Bangladesh? Pakistan? Please, come. Come on. Hey, guys, come and do PR. Okay, yes. Thank you. Oh, she's from China.
Hello everybody, I'm from China. 中国の出身です。今日は中国料理を3つ提供いたします。We have 3 kinds of food today. One of them is the first one is mapo tofu. It's very spicy tofu from we make it in a very traditional way, and you can want to take a try. And 2番目はなんだっけトマトと卵の炒め物です。fried with tomato and egg. It's very delicious. I bet you want to try it. And the last one is hot pot. It's very spicy, but you won't forget it, okay? And please come and we are all welcome all of you. Thank you.
That was amazing.
Very beautiful. Thank you. Oh, I really want to try that hot pot. Hey guys, go and try the hot pot. Okay, who is ready to come and okay, yes, please, Vietnam. Guys, for the fashion show, get ready, fashion show people.
Good afternoon, konnichiwa. I'm a representative of Vietnamese students. Today we are so happy to show you our traditional clothes all around the country in the upcoming fashion shows. Besides, we have many beautiful pictures in the photo exhibition, so please come and enjoy them. Especially today we are serving one of our most famous traditional foods, which is Vietnamese beef rice noodle or pho. So we are serving right over there. We have a much beef with tasty noodles and excellent soup. So don't miss it. Don't miss our special cuisine today. So thank you very much and have a great day.
Thank you. Okay, let's have Team Africa.
Hello. From Africa, we want to give you a brief of what you should expect today. Africa has lined up beautiful traditional clothing, which you can try at the traditional session. We have prepared also with African flavor, banana cake and peanut cake. You can find that at the extreme end, and I think if you have a spice of the cake, you will love it. Africa has also lined up culture on dance. Today we'll be showing that as well. So please take a time and go to the African booth. Enjoy yourself. Good afternoon, IDEC.
Thank you very much. Afghanistan. Good. I love your spirit.
Hello everyone. My name is Almas. I present warmest welcome to all of you as representative of Afghanistan. So today we have both in third boat is related to Afghanistan, and we have prepared delicious, spiceful and very tasteful food for you and our students are ready to service you. Please visit our booth. Additionally, we have some photo from our historical heritage and our culture, tradition, and the address is just in front of the elevator on the lobby of IDEC. Furthermore, today we will have a traditional clothes performance. Please enjoy by yourself. And at the end, please wait for us. Thank you.
Hey, thank you very much. That was beautiful. Myanmar, please, you want to promote your country? And she is so dressed in a gorgeous outfit. This is beautiful.
Hello, good afternoon from Myanmar. Greeting from Myanmar student Migrawa. Yeah, today we are very proud to introduce our country. As a country photos, we are providing the famous places, people and beautiful places of our country at the photo booth. Another thing is we are providing the famous dishes of our country, and you can try the fried red noodle and jelly at our booth. Our booth is at your right side, the third one from the last one. Another thing is our performance. I'm very sure that you will really enjoy our performance because we are trying to introduce our beautiful dance while we are dancing the pickle kind of our pickle leaf. And then you can try our beautiful attire like this at the photo booth. And thank you very much, Minglawa from Myanmar.
Thank you very much, beautiful lady from Myanmar. Thank you. Let's have another beautiful lady. Oh, another handsome man from Indonesia, and then he'll be followed by a beautiful lady from.
Yeah. Hello everybody. Good afternoon. Konnichiwa. I come from Indonesia, and our booth is the left side. And Indonesia have so many culture and so many delicious food. And today, as the special day, we have the nasi goreng and mie goreng, the spicy, the delicious foods, and you can try at the left side booth. And today, as a special day, we have some special performance. We have some special performance from our batik performance. So enjoy our food at the booth, and you can try the mie goreng and nasi goreng. Thank you.
Very much. That was beautiful. Let's have the beautiful lady from Sri Lanka.
Hi, dear everyone. Greeting from Sri Lanka. Hi, Bowan. Today we are going to introduce our traditional cloth tying and dancing performance with wedding ceremony and special fashion show with wedding couple, bride and groom, traditional clothes, and we are introducing to you our delicious foods, fried rice and fish casserole. You can enjoy them. Don't miss our game, our traditional game like entertain game. You can enjoy it, blindfold feeding, and our photo exhibition, beautiful photo exhibition of my country. You have to visit that photo exhibition, and I think you can enjoy our all performance. And please vote us. You all are invited to our booth, in my left side, 6th booth, and I'm invited to all to enjoy Sri Lankan performance. And please vote us. Thank you very much. I go on.
Thank you very much. That was beautiful.
That was. ちょっと通訳します。スリランカチームのブースでゲームがあります。見えないなのに食べるのゲームがあります。楽しみにしてください。
Thank you very much. I would. You should go and try out the blindfold feeding. It sounds really amazing to eat while you're blindfolded. Oh, which other country wants to promote?
Did you miss anyone?
Did we miss anybody? Cambodia? I didn't get somebody. Oh yes, somebody from Cambodia, please. the food? I hope so.
Konnichiwa, minasan. I'm from Cambodia. So today, Cambodian students prepare two typical dishes from Cambodia: chicken rice soup and corn coconut milk pudding. Please, if you want to taste, go to our booth on my right hand side with Cambodia. Because this year we have only very few people, so we will also have the fashion shows, and that's it. I'm sorry, we have very few. Thank you very much.
Thank you. That is from Cambodia. We're going to have a break, and you can enjoy food and walk around and get to visit these countries, get to visit different cuisines, and then we'll get ready for the fashion show. Don't go away.
Don't forget, you can go inside the building to have a photo contest, and don't forget to vote. Thank you very much.
As we get ready for the fashion show will be in this order: Mongolia, Myanmar, Vietnam, Laos, Cambodia, Sri Lanka, Indonesia, Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Nepal, Africa, and finally Japan. I'm going to ask you to always be closer to the stage before we call you upon. So enjoy the meal and have fun. It's IDEC Open Day.
Enjoy a 20 minutes break. 20分の休憩。
Ôi trời ơi, ơi mà đẹp thế. Đuôi bằng nồi bé mà. Anh đưa đổ hết là anh đổ.
こんにちは。日本人のブランドブース担当してます。パンフレットではあそこにやってたんですけど、場所移って中でやってます。缶バッジ制作とか、あとレターエクスチェンジとかもやってるんで、ザンビアの学生とレターエクスチェンジできる機会もあるので、ご飯食べて終わった後よかったら寄ってください。In English, we set a booth from outside to inside. There, we can offer making button badge. Also, some photo exhibition about activity. So, if you have a
Alright, thank you. So, this is the Chinese five. Yeah, yes. 5. Maybe you know.
No, I'm 5.
Okay, alright.
What's your name?
200. I don't know this.
Because I need to give you.
Alright, thank you. Thank you.
ありがとうございました。Hi, customer care. How are you?
I'm fine.
What's your name?
I'm Mako.
So what are you doing here? You are selling something, right?
I'm selling coupon.
Oh. How much is that?
Okay, I will explain. 2 coupons for main dish for each country, and 1 coupon for 1 dessert, and 1 coupon for drinks, and inside, inside. Also, we have some booths. For example, photo booth. This photo booth is trying to traditional clothes and some very professional cameraman, photographer try to take your photo.
Thank you.
Have fun.
So you're an IDEC as well? We're in the same lab. Okay, you guys will say, who's the professor in your lab? Mark, how does
What? Almost straight. Yeah. Close it.
Oishi, oishi?
ओइशी यस वो नीचे से मुझे खत्म कर दिया नहीं और है
Only sweet potatoes. Yeah. It's sweet. Yeah. Oh, I think you have this
audience. Ini tiketnya 5 200. 5 tiket 200. Beli di sana. Oh iya 5 tiket 200.
Oishi? Oishi?
とても美味しい。
いいね。おー、わバングラデシュ。おいしい？おいしい。おいしいね。すごいおいしいね。はいはいはい。おわー。এটা খোলার আগে ঠান্ডা হয়ে যাবে না তো? おいしい？おいしい？ありがとう。おいしいおいしいおいしいよ。へえ。
Last week.
Atsuii 暑いね。おいしい。
いや辛いですよね。
おいしいおいしい。辛いじゃない？
辛い、ベリースパイス。
辛いね。
いらっしゃいませ。
おいしい？
Before you take the stuff, come and explore. About the attire. This attire is Mongolian attire. This is Mongolia, and they wear these for weddings, for official events, and their clothes are either made of silk or cashmere or even leather. And as you can see, this is really beautiful.
名前はデールの服、結婚式で着ます。 hino で作っている。And I know who I'm going to vote for already.
So if you feel this is the best, then vote for them. A round of applause for Mongolia. Next we're having Myanmar. Myanmar.
Where I'm from is a place that's seen its share of pain. Where I'm from, there's a light that shines down through the rain. I see the West moving in, and I guess that's good, I guess that's good. But material things are not my heart, it's not my heart. Yeah, don't lose your way as a brighter day has come. Keep an open mind, put your heart right here at home. Don't lose your way as the brighter day has come. When I rise, there's life, there's laughter in my home, and there's fire in our eyes from all that good.
Now this is Myanmar dress code. This is, they told us that Myanmar has 134 ethnic groups. And this dressing is from the Kain ethnic group. And they usually wear this for official occasions like weddings or cultural festivities. And if you feel that they have rocked it, then vote for them. A round of applause, Myanmar. Thank you. Beautiful.
Don't lose your way as the brighter day has.
Let's have more bright colors now from Vietnam. Vietnam. For you. The first couple are dressed in Aodai. I don't know if I pronounced that well. Aozai. And that is the gentleman in blue and the lady in red. And this attire, they dress it for musicians and architects and poetries. The second couple is the traditional casual clothes, usually worn in the southern Vietnamese. And it's for casual laborers. And the final couple is worn by the northern mountainous people. So all these are clothes from Vietnam, and aren't they colorful? They're really beautiful. So if you feel that that they are the best, then do vote for them and make them the best fashion show people. Okay? Okay, people?
Round of applause, please.
Thank you very much, Vietnam.
Now we're calling the Laos team. Laos team, please get ready. Round of applause, please. Yes, these clothes, this attire is often wear on wedding ceremonies and cultural festivals. And the female wears outfit made from Lao authentic silk, and the skirt is considered the masterpiece of all the costume. And the males are wearing Lao's silk shirt called Kham Mak Bang. Sorry for my pronunciation. A round of applause, please.
Round of applause. Thank you, Laos. Very colorful. You think they rocked it, then vote for them. Make them #1 in fashion show.
Don't forget to get your ballot and vote. Cambodia. We are looking for Cambodia.
Cambodia. For you, and they tell us that these are clothes that they wore between the 15th and the 16th century, and these are basically clothes worn by the rural people, and they say that
15世紀、16世紀の服です。農民の服です。
They can wear these clothes when they're doing their farming or when they're doing their regular business. A round of applause for Cambodia. Thank you very much, Cambodia. If you think that they're the best, then vote for them. Thank you very much. Let's have Sri Lanka. I don't know if I pronounced that right. Sri Lanka? Sri Lanka, please.
Never
And when you scream, it's my price tag. Go on, select your tone, give me playback. On your own, I'm riding high with this game. Girl, you gonna fly with my fame. Never go wrong on my dance floor. I go back home, hey, I never left you even before you born. But dear, be a dance.
And that is Sri Lanka for you. And as you can see, that's the bride and that's the groom and the children dressed in cultural wear. So if you feel they rocked it, then rock it by voting for them. Hey, a round of applause. Sri Lanka. You know now who you want to vote for? Get those ballots ready. Get the voting ready.
Indonesia, please get ready.
Indonesia,
Please come to the stage.
Very nice.
Lihatlah bintang-bintang bersama, biarkan matamu menatap indahnya. Katakanlah pada yang bersinar hayalanmu dan mimpimu. Coba pejamkanlah dua mata, biarkan cahaya membias di pelupuk. Resapi dan yakinkan dirimu, harapanmu kan menjelma.
Team Indonesia, the woman is wearing a kebaya. It's a formal clothes from the Java Island, and the man is wearing is from the Madura Island, very famous for its food. A round of applause, please.
Yay! Thank you very much, Indonesia. You can vote for them if you like this style. Please do vote. Afghanistan, you ready? Afghanistan, come and rock the stage with your outfits, please. Afghanistan,
Afghanistan, please come over here.
please. the Eids. They wear these clothes on the New Year's. They wear these clothes. Oh, we have somebody else. Okay.
は新年の服です。公式行事の服。Afghanistan team.
Thank you very much. A round of applause for Afghanistan. Yay!
Next team coming up, Bangladesh.
Bangladesh.
মিলন হবে কত দিনে, মিলন হবে কত দিনে, আমার মনের মানুষের সনে, আমার মনের মানুষের সনে। মিলন হবে কত দিনে, মিলন হবে কত দিনে, আমার লীলাবালি লীলাবালি ভর যুবতী সৈব, ভর যুবতী সৈব, কি দিয়া সাজাইনু তারে। লীলাবালি লীলাবালি ভর যুবতী সৈব, ভর যুবতী সৈব, কি দিয়া সাজাইনু তারে।
Bangladesh for you, and all these clothes, they are worn in wedding ceremonies, in cultural events, and
Bengali New Year, which is on the 14th of February, I believe, and these clothes, February New Year's is called Bahela Baishak.
So
Round of applause, please.
yes, if you think they rock the stage, you can rock it by voting for them. Yay, Bangladesh! Thank you very much. Thank you, Nepal. Nepal. Next we have Nepal. And also the African should be getting ready.
कोटि कोटि सम्पदाको आचरा मेहरुका राजकाले स्वतन्त्र आचरा ज्ञान भूमि शान्ति भूमि तराई पहाड हिमाल अखण्ड यो प्यारो हाम्रो मातृभूमि नेपाल बहु जाति भाषा धर्म संस्कृति सङ्गीशाला.
That is Team Nepal for you. Thank you very much. Thank you, thank you. A round of applause. African Union.
Yes.
This lady is from Mozambique, and this dress is called Capulana. You like it, anybody? Over there, that is Ghana. Ghana.
When they see me around, they just got to let say like how love you
Mozambique and Ghana. Yay! Next we have South Africa. Then from Cote d'Ivoire. I don't know if the MC is allowed to come on stage, but hey, I have to showcase this. This is from Rwanda. You like it? Vote for it. You're allowed to vote for me, okay? And this is Team Africa for you, and all these clothes, all these attires are worn on special occasions like official days, like weddings, if you have to go to the parliament, and all these things. So for official days, and that is Team Africa for you. Thank you very much. And very beautiful, please vote for Africa, okay? And last but not very least, let's have Team Japan. Team Japan.
This is the best time for a picture. Everyone get ready.
Okay, now we're going to go and leave the stage. Thank you very much. Thank you. A round of applause to everyone. Thank you. This was so colorful and so beautiful. I like it. You're gonna have a hard time voting. Don't you think? All these people are really beautiful and you're gonna have a hard time voting for them. But hey, vote for what you like, okay? Now, a quick reminder to the teams that are going to make the performances, please start to get ready. Very soon we'll be starting the performances. Please get ready. And right now, for those who want the fashion show, the traditional dressing and the photo booth is now ready. You can start to go and try on what you've been seeing here and take photos. The performance, please get ready. Now, this day didn't just happen. We had people who sponsored us, and we want to throw a shout out to these people who sponsored us.
I can teach you how to. I can teach you how to cinematograph.
That was truly amazing.
Are you feeling alone?
Now these are the people who sponsored us. We have Dore Car School. It's a driving school, the biggest in the area, and it's not very far from Hiroshima University. It has the largest practice, it's the largest driving school in Hiroshima Prefecture. If you want to learn how to drive, visit that school.
どうぞ園児と小車学校は広島大学の近くの自動車学校です。広島県最大の練習コースでのびのび練習ができます。
The other sponsor is Higashi Hiroshima Car School. It's also a driving school, and if you really want to learn how to drive, this comes actually recommended by the Hiroshima Prefecture City Office or the Safety Commissioner. If you want to learn how to drive, go to Higashi Hiroshima Car School.
東広島自動車学校、広島県のご案内委員会が指定する自動車学校です。教習所の車が大学まで迎えに来てくれるのでとっても便利です。
Then we have Bar Iregui. This is an American style bar. It's near Yume town. If you want to play darts, you can go there. Then we have restaurant Yokatoroko. And it has Japanese style izakaya. Then we have restaurant Salaka.
バーイレグイアメリカンスタイルのバーユメタウンの近くにあります。ダーツを楽しむことができパーティーにぴったりのお店です。レストランやよっかところイレグイと同じオーナーが経営する居酒屋です。こちらは日本風の居酒屋です。
We also have restaurant Apsalas. Here you can go and enjoy Cambodian food. If you want to try Cambodian food, you go to restaurant Apsalas. It's near Saija
西条駅の近くにあり、本場楽しみ、味が楽しみます。
Then last but not least, we have Higashi Hiroshima Batting Center and Restaurant Bistro Papa. Those are our sponsors for the day.
東広島バーティングセンター、広島大学に一番近いバーティングセンターです。軽い運動をしたい人におすすめ。レストランビストロパパ、フレンチ、イタリアンをベースとしたもごく好き料理と手作りにこだわったデザートが魅力のレストラン、西条駅の近くです。